With just a few ingredients, you can make this delicious milky homemade bread recipe at a lower cost. So let's get into this video. So in a clean bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'm using instant yeast, but you can use regular yeast as well. So add sugar, milk powder, and stir. After everything is nicely stirred, go ahead and add your flour. So I'm using hard flour, and this is about 3 cups. So after I added my flour, I'm going to add salt, and I'm going to stir my wet and dry ingredients together. Alright guys, so next you're going to need our dough. So with this recipe, you can actually use a stand mixer if you have that at home. If you're using your hands to mix this dough, it will take you about 35 minutes. But if you're using a stand mixer, it will take you about 15 minutes. So after our dough is half kneaded, I'm going to add butter, which is room temperature, and I'm going to transfer that into a clean surface. I'm going to knead this dough for about 35 minutes. After you're done, go ahead and transfer that into a clean bowl, and we're going to leave it to sit out for about 20 minutes. So depending on how warm your room is, so if it's cold, it's going to take longer, about 45 minutes to double in size. But in a warm climate, will actually take you 20 minutes. So after it doubled in size, we're going to punch that air out, and then we're going to start cutting our dough into a small sizes. Alright guys, so you're doing well so far. I just want to take this time and thank everyone for subscribing to this page and sharing the recipe. I truly appreciate you guys so much, and if you are watching and you're new here, I just want to say thank you so much, and then you are very welcome. Alright guys, so I'm very excited. I'm going to bake this bread in my sanka, but you can also use your baking pan as well. So I'm going to divide this dough into 14 pieces. That's what I got, and then I'm gonna get it ready to bake. So I've already set my oven into 375 degrees, and that is very important because you have to make sure that your oven is set. So next I'm gonna roll my doughs into small balls, and this is how actually it's gonna look like. Alright, so I've already greased my asanka with butter, or you can use margarine as well. I'm going to add all my dinner rolls in here. So after that, go ahead and cover and have it sit for about 20 or 35 minutes, depending on how warm your room temperature is. So after it doubled in size, go ahead and bake your bread. And that is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it looks like goldish color. Alrighty guys, so I have all the recipe and the caption, so if you are interested, feel free and check that out. I let the bread cool down a little bit, and I'm applying some butter on the top just to keep it nice and soft. This is optional though. Alright guys, so just look at that, your dinner rolls are ready. So milky, buttery, and so soft. Yes guys, so I hope you try this recipe at home. You can serve this bread as a side dish, or you can enjoy with hot cocoa or tea. Alright guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, feel free and leave it under the comment section. Again, I will leave all the ingredients in the caption, so feel free and check that out. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day. Bye guys.